In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Calendly account. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool used by individuals and organizations to streamline appointments and manage availability with ease. But sometimes you may decide it's time to move on, whether it's to switch to a different platform or simply because you no longer need the service. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process of deleting your Calendly account, making sure you avoid any pitfalls along the way. And if you're new to Calendly and considering trying it out before making any decisions, you can find a sign-up link in the description below. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Calendly homepage. Simply open your browser and type in www.calendly.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and locate the login button. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll log into your account. If you signed up using a standard email and password, just enter those credentials here. Alternatively, if you created your account using your Google account, click the Continue with Google option instead. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account associated with your Calendly account. Once selected, click Continue to move forward. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Calendly dashboard. This is where you usually manage your appointments and settings. Now look at the top right corner of the dashboard and find your profile icon. It's often represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Profile option. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage various details about your account. On the profile page, scroll down until you see the option to delete account. Click on it to initiate the account deletion process. At this point, it's important to keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. This means all your data, including scheduled appointments, will be erased and cannot be recovered. Calendly may display warnings or messages to remind you of this, so take a moment to read them carefully. If you're unsure about permanently deleting your account, consider alternatives such as pausing your account temporarily or reaching out to Calendly's support team for assistance. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and confirm that you want to delete your account. Calendly might ask you to provide a reason for leaving as part of the process. This step helps them understand user feedback and improve their service. Simply choose the reason that fits your situation or type it in if prompted. Before you proceed, make sure to back up or export any important data from your account. This could include appointment history or other information you might need later. Remember, once you delete your account, this data will no longer be accessible. Once your account is deleted, it's a good idea to log out entirely and close your browser as an extra layer of digital security. This prevents any unauthorized access and ensures your information stays safe. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Calendly account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.